So we are third generation, my brother and I. We have 3 shops southwest of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we've been in business since 1951. Carliner provides the best solution for the type of vehicles that we repair and allow us to meet factory specifications and provide the best quality repairs for our customers. Right now we're in the process of getting BMW certified. They require all the Carliner Evo systems, and they allow us to do proper measurements on the vehicles to make sure they're safe to get back onto the road in pre-accident condition. Carliner allows our technicians to do everything to the degree, get things back to the way they are supposed to be, and follow the exact manufacturer specifications to ensure that the car is going to react properly in a future collision. We keep people safe. As we know, the world isn't perfect, and when things go wrong, having that support is extremely important to be able to keep progress moving, keep our production up, and keep satisfying our customers in a timely manner. The spot welder and MIG mag welders that do silicon, bronze, aluminum, and steel, phenomenal. They make it so that a less skilled technician can do a proper weld every single time.